Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Northwest Card Packs, your go-to sports for big pulls, rare finds, and all things card collecting, from sports to special editions. We rip, review, and reveal it all. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's crack some packs. So as you can see today, we got, let's see, get some light in here. We got the 2024 NFL Resurgence Blaster boxes. We got 4 of them. There's 32 cards per box, 2 exclusive parallels per box. And let's see. It says right here to look for Electrolytes SP insert cards. So let's get to cracking. But first, I need to find my knife. Alright, we're back. Let's get to breaking this first. Box open. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's nice and warm here where I live. Here we go with the first pack. Starting off, we got a Eric Dickerson, Anthony Richardson. On the refractor, we got a Brock Bowers. Nice Brock Bowers refractor. And Jared Wiley. John Elway, Roger Starbuck. On the Glimmer and Gleam, we got a Terrell Owens. And on the blue lasers, we got a Jared Wiley. I will say these Resurgence, the base cards are pretty nice. Probably one of my favorites. Let me know what your guys' favorite base cards are. Leave it down in the comments. Got an Emmett Smith, Jim Kelly, Will Reichard on the holo, and a Joe Alt rookie card. Try to keep these cards separate. Make it easier on myself so I don't gotta go through them all again. Jonathan Ogden, Jason Taylor. On the Voltaic, we got a Jermaine Burton, rookie, and a Malik Neighbors. Archie Manning, Bo Jackson. On the pink parallel, we got a Johnny Wilson out of 199. Johnny Wilson out of 199. It's a nice card. And a Cooper DeJean. Joe Green, Richard Sherman. On the circuit breakers, we got a Troy Franklin. And on the pink and blue lasers, Frank Gore. John Riggins, got a Drew Bledsoe. On the holo, we got a Doug Flutie and rookie Bucky Irving base card. Sterling Sharp, Champ Bailey. On the conductors, we got a Terry Bradshaw and a rookie Jaden Daniels base card. Let's get the breaking open the second box. Darrelle Revis, James Harrison, excuse me. On the refractor, we got a Spencer Rattler, Terrion Arnold. Luke Keechley, Walter Payton, John Elway on the conductors, and a Jatavion Sanders on the blue and pink lasers. And that one's not numbered. Chris Carter, Keyshawn Johnson. On the holo, we got Xavier Worthy and a Mason Smith. Terrell Owens, Howie Long. On the Glimmer and Gleam, James Harrison and a Jalen Wright. Marcus Allen, Kurt Warner. On the green, what is this card? I'm not sure what this one's called. We'll just call it the Green Splash. And it is numbered out of 175, and this is 143 out of 175, Doug Flutie. And Isaiah Thomas. Chad Johnson, Ed McCaffrey, Xavier Worthy on the conductors, and a Jerry Rice, pink lasers, pink and blue. Edgerrin James, Marshall Faulk. On the holo, got a Ray Lewis and a Roman Wilson. Lawrence Taylor, Jerome Bettis, Bucky Irving on the Circuit Breakers, and a Chris Broswell. That does it for the second box. Let's get the cracking open this third box. Anthony Richardson, John Elway, Voltaic, Frank Gore, and a Latu. I sure do get a lot of those cards of him. Let me know in the comments down below, which player do you guys rip the most? I think mine's Ben Sinnott and Latu. Roger Starbuck, Emmett Smith. On the holo, we got a Bucky Irving and a Brandon Rice. Jim Kelly, Jonathan Ogden, Circuit Breakers, Xavier Worthy, and a Michael Pratt, Blue Laser. Jonathan Taylor, Archie Manning. On the holo, we got a Michael Pratt, and Spencer Rattler. Bo Jackson, John Green. On the conductors, we got a Troy Aikman and a Theo Johnson. Richard Sherman, John Riggins. On the yellow Thunder. That kind of looks like Thunder. On the yellow Thunder, we'll call it that. Out of 225, 219 out of 225, Jamal Charles. And a Peyton Wilson. Drew Bledsoe, Sterling Sharp, Bo Jackson, Glimmer and Gleam, and a Peyton Manning on the pink and blue lasers. On the holo, we got a Howie Long, Jalen McMillan. Let's get the break in this last pack. If you guys ever open Resurgence, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what people's opinions are on this box. Do you like ripping it? Do you not like ripping it? What do you think about the cards? I enjoy opening it. Will Levis, Doug Flutie, Devin Hester, Joshua Cardi. Mike Singletary, Troy Aikman, Dallas Turner on the holo, Jackson Powers Johnson. J.J. Watt, Dan Marino, Trey Benson on the circuit breakers, and Cedric Gray on the blue. Drew Brees, Brian Dawkins, Audric Estime on the holo, and Kingsley Suamataia. Tricky last name to say. Frank Gore, Bob Greasy, Eli Manning on the conductors, and Kamari Lassiter. Jamal Charles, Fred Taylor. We got a Troy Aikman on the pink Lightning. This one is out of 199. 56 out of 199. Troy Aikman. It's a beautiful card. Maurice Luafu, rookie. 2 more packs to go. Brett Favre, Ozzie Newsome, Bernie Kosar, and Luke Kuechly on the pink and blue lasers. Bryce Young, Ray Lewis, John Randall on the holo, and Cole Bishop. So out of all 4 of those boxes, we scored a Luke Kuechly on the pink and blue out of 199, Troy Aikman. We got a holo, Dallas Turner. Holo, Howie Long on the pink and blue, Peyton Manning. Out of 125 on the yellow lightning, Jamal Charles. Ray Lewis holo, the pink and blue, Jerry Rice. On the green for the lightning, out of 175, Doug Flutie. Pink and blue, Jatavion Sanders. Holo, Doug Flutie. Pink and blue, Frank Gore. Out of 199, Johnny Wilson. Jared Wiley on the pink and blue. And a holo, Brock Bowers. So yeah, not too bad on the boxes. Got a couple numbered cards, no autos or anything. Let me know how you think. Let me know what you guys think about this rip. Did I do good? Did I do bad? Did I do okay? Let me know down in the comments below. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, where every pack is first and goal. Don't forget to like, sub, and stay in the game. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.